Hello students. So today we are going to start with the topic of resource conservation. We have already discussed in the previous chapters, in the previous sessions, that a resource is basically something that we require to operate. So there are various types of resources like oil and gas, natural, renewable and non-renewable resources, coal, petroleum. So there are there is a requirement for the resources to be conserved so that it can be used by the future generations also. So how we can conserve resources? So we need to plan the resources accordingly, according to our requirements that we have currently. Why is it necessary? It is necessary because many resources are non-renewable and inexhaustible. If we conserve them, we can use them for a longer period of time. Conservation of resources helps us to reduce wastage. It will also help in economic progress. Resources conservation helps us to protect the environment. Now, what were the thoughts of Gandhiji's on resource conservation? He said that there was enough to meet everyone's need, but not enough to meet everyone's greed. Greedy and selfish individuals and the exploitative nature of the modern technology are the root cause for resource depletion. So, due to the excessive need or excessive greed of individuals and the modern technology and the explorative and the exploitative, how people exploit uh, with the help of the modern technology to extract more and more resources from the nature, these are the reasons for the depletion of resources. He was against mass production and wanted to replace it with production by masses. What is land degradation? So land degradation is basically the decreasing of the quality of the land, the soil quality or the land quality. How does it happen? It happens due to the excessive soil erosion by running water and wind, a dumping of waste materials from mining centers and industrial units, over irrigation leads to increase in salinity and alkalinity in the soil. Due to the over irrigation, continuous irrigation over and over and again, it increases the salinity, there is saltiness and the alkalinity of the soil. Overgrazing by the animals and deforestation by men, waste material water from the industrial units also pollute the lands. Mineral processing like grinding of limestone for cement industry and calcite of the soapstone also uh, creates a lot of dust, and this dust is deposited in the neighboring land. Some land conservation measures. Soil erosion can be prevented by ending deforestation, controlling excessive grazing, encouraging afforestation, and practicing terrace farming in hilly areas. Preparation of shelter beds of plants and stabilizing of sand dunes by growing thorny bushes with the help with help to prevent land degradation in deserts. Mining activity should be controlled. New technology which reduces wastage can be adopted. Industrial waste should be chemically treated to remove the harmful substances. Urban waste should be used for the production of biogas and biomanure, which is a biological way to conserve resources. Biogas and biomanure. Over irrigation should be stopped and new method of irrigation should be followed. So in the next class we'll discuss about the layers of soil, the types of soil.